Hi everyone, my name is Norman. I run the blog nimbleneedles.com, and today I want to show you how to knit the traveling twisted decrease to the right. The traveling twisted decrease to the right is a variation of the Bavarian twisted stitch, and it's a different way to knit two together twisted, which I showed you in the last video. It's right leaning and perfect for decreasing twisted stitches. So let's dive right into it. I really have to be honest with you here. Traveling twisted decrease to the right is a name I came up with. I couldn't find any reference for the stitch anywhere else. Probably because it is indeed a bit more unusual to knit. Not hard or complicated in my opinion, but unusual, but very, very useful for Bavarian twisted stitches. If you don't know how to knit Bavarian twisted stitches yet, I'll link you my video up in here and in the description box below. But let's start knitting. Typically, you will want to decrease two twisted stitches with this technique. You can decrease any other stitches as well, but it will look best with two twisted stitches. Start by inserting the right needle into the second stitch on the left needle from the front. Then use your index finger and press it against the first stitch, and then drop these two stitches. And then pick up the dropped stitch straight away and slip back the other stitch. So far this has been a normal traveling to the right Bavarian twisted stitch. And now knit these two stitches together through the back loop. So insert into the back loop and knit them together. And there's your first decrease. Let's do it one more time. So insert the needle into the second stitch, secure the first stitch with your index finger, then drop them, pick it up straight away, slip it back, and then knit them together through the back loop like that. There's your decrease. Again, there's two purl stitches in between here, so insert, secure, drop, slip, slip back, and knit them through the back loop. And that's already everything you need to know about this decrease. If you knit it the other way around, meaning you're knitting and traveling to the left, and then you're knitting these two together like through the front loop, then the result will be a standard SSK, slip slip stitch, but a bit more complicated to knit, so I don't think this is really this makes any sense. But if you compare it to a knit two together twisted, I feel the version I just showed you is a tiny bit neater because less slipping is involved. You only need to slip 3 times instead of 4 times, and knit through the back loop is actually a bit easier to knit and doesn't put as much stress on the stitches as knit two together. Anyway, that's it. That's how you knit the traveling twisted decrease to the right. I hope I was able to show you this interesting right leaning decrease. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and of course consider subscribing to my channel if you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!